All right, good morning, eighth graders. So obviously I'm not here today. I wanted to make this video for you. So normally when I'm not here, we don't go into the robotics lab. The good news is we weren't going to go there anyway because you guys have a test on the test bed project. All right, so it kind of worked out. All right, so hopefully you're watching this video. All right, so just a quick rundown of the agenda. You're watching this video, you're going to take the test, which I'm going to show you here in a second. You can retake the test if you want. It will count the highest grade. So out of 25 points, whichever one is the highest, if you take it twice, that is the grade that will go into Skyward, okay? Once the exam is done, on the wall to the right, there are 9 different things that you are allowed to do. So just make sure you find something to do quietly while everybody else is taking the exam, okay? So the exam, it is open note, which means, so I have the exam open, so first of all, it is worth 25 points, okay? You can basically use anything in the test bed folder. So for example, the test bed build instructions. So I know next door we had paper copy, but what I did was I put right here, test bed build instructions. I'm going to publish that so you can access them in the test bed folder. There is a sensor check document. Again, we had a handout next door. Here is the electronic version. All right. The other thing you can use is you can go on the VEX IQ app and look at the 4 coding projects that you guys worked on a couple days ago. All right. So those are really the only 3 things you should need. I don't really know what else you would need to answer the questions. All right. And then obviously use what you learned to help you out as well. All right. Like I said, you are allowed to take it twice. It will take the highest score, and that's the score that you will see here. All right, so once you're done, I put up here, what do I do now activities. These are the 9 things that you are allowed to do. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know, email me. Do not ask the person covering, they're probably gonna have no idea. And then tomorrow when I return, we will start building our next project. All right, so good luck and behave yourself. See you tomorrow.